Hello everyone, this is Kevin with Hardscape.com. I'm here in a project that was recently done by King of Pavers. They are using our Tuscany silver 16 by 32 porcelain pavers in a driveway. They did a broken line pattern using our 16 by 32 porcelain pavers. And I just wanted to come by to check it out, show you guys the progress, how it looks. It looks pretty good. They did the walkway, the landing steps to the entrance, and this was done by King of Pavers. And this is our Tuscany silver 16 by 32 3cm porcelain pavers. These are going to be anti-slip, stain resistant. It's an easy to clean material, so give us a call. My phone number is 561-677-1498. Kevin with Hardscape.com. Have a good day, guys.